The fall of 2011 saw the opening of the Pandora Style Lounge, a unique partnership between Pandora and Coquitlam Centre. This designated lounge and rest area for customers provides Style TV, including Pandora commercials, seasonal style tips and trends, along with the latest in fashion magazines and Pandora brochures for customer enjoyment. Plus, throughout the year, the lounge hosts shopping center fashion events featuring a number of different retailers. This includes Pandora's very own fashion shows for new product line releases. To launch the Pandora Style Lounge, Coquitlam Centre orchestrated a $117,000 multimedia campaign that delivered over 12,300,000 impressions through the use of in-mall signage, online e-blasts, outdoor advertising, print and radio ads.
Browse through the freshest in fashion magazines and watch the latest fashion videos. Drop by the mall or visit coquitlamcentre.com for upcoming events and workshops. Get the inside scoop on style at the Pandora Style Lounge at Coquitlam Centre.
The in-mall visual presentation for Pandora is unexpected and eye-catching. The bulkhead, TV, and carpet are branded with Pandora, while closets and vanities wrapped in Pandora Creative are brought in for the shows. The hottest fashion trends, makeup tips, and accessories are highlighted to large, enthusiastic crowds.
All right, so moving on to our third trend of the season is what we call casual chic weekend.
Everybody needs a classic pair of jeans in their wardrobe. The 1970s kind of glamorous trend is really, really big this year.
Pandora also hosts fashion shows for each of their major product releases. These events draw large crowds and are very well received. Over 30 fashion-themed events have been hosted in this lounge. By partnering with Pandora, Coquitlam Centre was able to provide their retailers and guests with a unique guest experience designed to motivate them to buy. A number of constantly rotating marketing opportunities in different areas of the shopping center allowed Pandora to reach their target demographic in the precise area of the center on their own timeline. Mall signage at key traffic locations throughout Coquitlam Centre delivered 10.1 million impressions of Pandora's brand messaging to their target audience, a value of over $207,000. Pandora expanded their media program and added value by using Coquitlam Centre's broad social media audience, including a banner on their website, Facebook and Twitter promotions, e-newsletter for spring and fall releases, and product features on the mall's Virgin Radio Style file page. To reach potential customers outside the immediate trading area, website animation and a series of YouTube-style videos are produced seasonally, resulting in 6,300 views.
I always suggest self-tanners and bronzers as the ideal way to get your sexy summer glow on without damaging your skin. Fan of the little black dress? These ones in matte jersey are simple but dazzling. I found some fun pieces at Icing by Claire's that also make great gifts anytime.
The negotiated annual price for the Pandora Style Lounge package is $62,500, plus all production and placement costs, representing a concerted effort to maximize value. This partnership has had the single greatest effect of all the marketing that Pandora has executed to date. Pandora's return on investment was outstanding, receiving almost $365,000 in value during the one-year term. During the term of this partnership, Coquitlam Centre has seen a sales increase of 4% and a traffic increase of 1% as a result of their focus on delivering an enhanced guest experience to their customers.